In this lecture, we look at updating and deleting data from our table. Okay, let me copy this here, Command C, Command V. Okay, then I can say db.execute. Then we're gonna update some info. So for that, we use the update statement. Update, let's say grades, and then set score, let's say 78, where name is equal to, let's say, John. Good. And every time we update, we have to commit our change. And then I can have my results variable, and that will hold db.execute select star from my grades table, and then I can order it by ID. Okay, and using my for loop for row in results print row. And if I run that, I see here that the score for John is 78. Earlier, before my update, it was 97. Now it's updated to 78. So when you are using the update statement, we say update my table grades and set, let's say, score to 78, where name is John. Similarly, I can say score is equal to, let's say, 99, where name is equal to, let's say, James. James' score was 85, but after this update it will be 99. Okay, let's run it. You see here James' score is now 99. And make sure while you are using the update statement to include, something after here. Like in this case, it will only affect James. If we forget to add this part, right? If I just pass update grades and then set score to 99, it will set everybody's score to 99. So it's very important to have this as a check while you are using the update statement. Imagine if your table has thousands of records, it will set the score value of all those records to 99. So it's very important, to pass this parameter also. That way it doesn't affect every single value. Good. And I can also set, for instance, update grades set, let's say, name to, let's say, Jack, where, let's say, score is equal to, so here we have, let's pass 82. In this case, Tom's name will be replaced by Jack. Okay, let's run it. So here instead of Tom, I have Jack, and score is 82. Okay, now let's look at the delete statement. Okay. Let's say I have db.execute for delete. I use the delete statement, delete from my table grades, where, let's say, ID is equal to, let's delete Tom. the information for Tom. So ID is equal to 6. So here you see the row for Tom is gone. So I deleted the row where ID is equal to 6. So it deleted the whole row for Tom. Again, it's also important to be careful while you are using the delete statement. That's because it might delete the whole data from your table. So if I just say delete from table and don't pass any parameter here, it will delete the whole table. So it's important to pass that second parameter here. Okay, great. In summary, we saw how we can create databases and tables, and how we can insert values into our tables, and how we can update and delete some data from our table.